Hello everyone, I am Shalini Guliani, faculty BA J&MC department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic role of PR in educational institutes. The educational sector is very large sector in India. It includes primary and high schools, undergraduate and postgraduate colleges, B schools, etc. Though a large part of India is still rural and the educational institutions at the level include small government and private schools and vocational colleges, PR has several major roles to perform for any educational institution, like expanding the number of applicants to the institution, helping the institutions to gain an enhanced reputation, influencing decision makers to smile upon one's institution, improving internal relations, maintaining good relations with the community, maintaining positive relations with the alumni. These aims are used in any kind of educational institutes, be it schools, colleges or senior colleges offering professional courses. These seem to apply a large measures to such institutions, although their relative importance may be different. PR initiatives to educational institutes, the educational institutes try their best to create the maintain positive PR. They do so through measures like press conferences regarding any new development in the institute, press release concerning the activities like branding of institutes, maintaining contacts with the people and who can benefit the organization in any way. It includes the who's who of the society, the media people and also their alumni. They organize large scale events and hold public meetings. The institutions nowadays believe in the trend of branding, which is done through specially designed logo that convey the mission and vision of the organization. The logo becomes the identity of the organization. Just like any other organization, the educational institute also have their ups and downs, which they use to cover up through crisis management. A public relation officer uses all way of communication to build, maintain and hold a good reputation of school. Reputation arises from what you do, what you say and what others say about you. So, if we will discuss in brief the role of PR in education, public relation officer informs and assists board administrations with news and media and public relations community matters. He prepares and implements communication plans, write news press releases, advisory media newsletters, speech and promotional scripts for radio and television, serves as staff coordinator for public relations and special event coordinator for the school. He also serves as a spokesperson for the school division and responses to the media and public requests for information. A PRO conducts and develops periodic training in communication, public relation development plans and public relations development. A PRO gives training on PR campaigns, strategies for new students and parents. He also monitors public media perception of the school. He also do public speaking at presentations, conference, etc. about the charter and activities of the school, represent the school at different events and at different levels. So, this is all role of PR in education sector. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you very much.